Namaste, everyone. Today I'm sharing my most normie historical take of all time. It's about the Nazis, and it might surprise you because it's exactly what your high school textbook probably told you. First, let's clear the air. The Nazis were not pan-European ideologues. They weren't European nationalists, white identitarians, or Christian nationalists. Forget that. Those labels miss the point. At their core, the Nazis were Germanic supremacists. Their obsession was in Europe, it was Germany. They wanted to expand, dominate, and reshape the continent according to the racial vision of the German people. Eastern Europe? That was their testing ground. Plans like General Plan Ost show it clearly. Slavs were to be displaced, enslaved, or exterminated. Their goal was to empty the land and populate it with Germans. It wasn't about unity, it was about conquest. And what about religion? Christianity, neo-paganism, mystical ideas, they were tools, not the engine. Everything served at the same goal, German racial supremacy. If the Axis had won, much of Eastern Europe would have been wiped clean of its native peoples, replaced by German colonists. Entire cultures, histories, and communities would have been erased. So here's my normie take. The Nazis were not pan-European, they were not inclusive, they were German supremacists through and through, and they were an existential threat and enemy to European civilization. That's it, and this is where I end my dissertation. Thank you for watching.